Hello, friends, and today I have come with another type of visualization in Grafana, and that is gauge. So let's start. So whenever we'll learn new visualization, we'll just duplicate the existing one and then edit it. That's the easiest way. And then you change the type. So today we are learning gauge. So here you see this is the data of the time series lecture which I have used the three sensors value, that is flow, laser and pressure. So currently it is showing all three values, but I can change it. Now what are the options? So you can see the calculated values or all values, but we generally use to get the specific values, gauges. And then in the calculation, what is it is the last value, means what is the last record in our database, that is shown here. And you can choose the first minimum as per your requirement. Then in the fields, numerical fields. So currently we have three numerical fields: flow, laser, and pressure. So these are shown here, and then you can select all fields. Then you will get time also, but I think that's not required. And then you can also choose only one column if you have three or four sensors and you want to visualize the value of only one. But now I want all three sensor values. Then this is the orientation. I think auto is better. Then you can change the color schema. So now it is set to single color. You can change it to classic palette. So it gives a different color to each one. And there is also an option of threshold. So what it does, so threshold is set to base green and above 60 it will give red. So you can see this is the 60 value, and if the value is above 60 it will show red color, otherwise it will be green. So this is threshold, and you can add your threshold limits also. But let's keep it from the classic palette, and there are other options too which you can check. Now what will we do? We will save this dashboard and back to the dashboard. So this is our dashboard screen, and you can adjust this visualization as per your requirement. The size, all are just on your fingertips. So this is our Grafana dashboard, which we have built till now, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.